Hello everyone. Today's explanation is about local and global variables. Variables declared or used in the main program are known as global variables, and they will be recognized throughout the program and any subroutines that it calls. The subroutines are the procedures and functions. So when we call the function or the procedure in the program, we use the global variable that it's found in the function or the procedure. So here's the function which returns the average of three numbers n1, n2, and n3. First, we write a function and put the variable name for the function, we call it average. And we pass to the average three parameters that are n1, n2, and n3. We separate the three parameters by a comma. Then we have a variable which is called total. We put in it the summation of the three parameters, which are n1 plus n2 plus n3. Then we will have a variable to calculate the average. We call this variable AVG, for example, and put in it the variable total and divide it by 3. The 3 reflects to the three parameters we have. And we said when we write a function, we must return the statement. So now we put return and put beside it the variable AVG, which is the average. Then we put end function, so now the function ends. To call this function, we use a statement in the program. Suppose in the program we have a variable called mean. The mean calculates the average. To call the function, we put in variable mean the global name for the function, which is called average. And we pass it the three parameters, which are n1, n2, and n3. So now we are calling the function using the global name average. The variable total in the function is a local variable inside the function average. If you try to print it outside the function, suppose we print it in the program, we will get an error message. Since the local variable only stands in the function or the procedure, we can call the function and the procedure using their global names in the program.